You are not going to believe what I just saw. Somebody just sent me an Excel sheet with the real load data from a freight brokerage. They want to expose this brokerage company for strangling carriers. No wonder a lot of carriers are going out of business. And these profit margins that this particular freight brokerage is making is insane. We're talking about 30%, sometimes even 40% commissions on one single load. That's like making $1,000 on a $4,000 shipment. That's crazy. And guess what? It's not just from one carrier doing these loads, it's multiple carriers doing these loads. Now, this is not a scam. This is the freight game at its rawest. Now buckle up because I'm about to show you that Excel sheet. Let's get into it. Couple of things we're gonna block out in this Excel sheet. Column number B is the customer name. Column number D is the carrier that did that. Okay. Column number E is what the carrier did it for. Column number F is what they billed the customer, and column number G is their commissions. There is no from where to where here, but you can see here that this is very, very recent data, okay? So you can see here in May, which was a couple of months ago, May 9th, here's the carrier. They billed $5,854, paid the carrier $3,671, and netted, okay, the freight broker netted $2,182. This is f***ing outrageous. And that's why people are so mad at freight brokers, okay? Here's another customer. Let's go to column number 4. This is again in May 10th. You can see here there's June 30th. This is literally just, a couple of weeks ago. So you can see here they charged the customer $4,268. And they paid the carrier $2,651, leaving the freight broker $1,617 in their pocket. Now look at all these loads over here. These are all being billed at over $1,000 per load. If you want to fix something, then get into it and fix it, okay? You want to become a legit freight broker, you want to become somebody that's going to change the industry, you can get into the game, you can definitely cut these rates. Now, if I come to these customers knowing that the freight broker is making such high commissions on them, if I come to this customer and I tell them, hey, I want to do these lanes, here's my rates, tackle on a normal $200, $250 on a load. If it's a $3,000 load, you probably want to put about 5, 6, 7% at most. I mean, $1,000 commission on these loads. You can see here that literally here on July 1st, they billed the customer $4,929 and they paid the carrier $3,800, leaving them with $1,129 in their pockets. Yes, obviously there's some loads here that you make $800, $900, but making $700, $800 on literally what we just did together, that is outrageous. But yes, that is happening out there and is still happening out there that you guys need to be made aware of. So again, I promised you the Excel sheet. You got the Excel sheet. I want to know your feedback on this stuff. Is it legit? Is it proper? Is it right to make $1,500, $1,400, $1,000 on a load, on a $3,000, $4,000 load? You think about why so many trucking companies have gone out of business. If this manufacturing plant worked directly with carriers and, the manufacturing plant could save money, the carrier can bill a little bit more money, but everybody would be happy. And again, $11, $12, $13, $1,400 commission spread, that is f***ing outrageous, okay? That a broker should be making this much money. I'd love to know some of your feedback. I want to know some of your thoughts out there. I'm Ronan, and I'll catch you in my next video.